Assalamualaikum students, this is grammar class 6. Unit number is 13 and unit name is the pronoun 1. We have read first three kinds in this chapter: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun. Now we will read relative pronoun. Okay, now we will open that page 55. So here are some more further detail for interrogative pronoun. Who, when, whose are used for persons only, what is used for things only, which is used for both persons and things, who inquires about the name or information regarding the family, who is she. The answer can be Misty or Mrs. Jennifer. Means who we can use for persons only. Who, these are three words we use only for person, and what is used for thing, and which for persons and things for the both. Okay, these are interrogative pronouns and uses of this. Now who inquires identity, Shanacht. Okay, so she is the last in this row to show identity. Note, the no interrogative pronoun should be followed by a noun. In that case, it will become an interrogative adjective. How? Whose this book is pronoun. Whose book is this? Okay, you can check the difference in the sentence. Whose is this book? This one is pronoun, and whose book? This one is adjective. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, as its name shows, stands for the noun mentioned before it and also relates to sentences. To relate two sentences, we can use relative pronoun. How we can combine? We can see, we went into a room which was very dark. Which is combining these two sentences as a relative pronoun. Who, I saw a robber who had a revolver, means who is as a relative pronoun. It is combining two sentences into one. She is the girl whom I'll marry. So here are some more words: whose, which, and as. Okay, open page number 76. Some more information. Define antecedent. I have written a question for you. We will read antecedent. The noun to which a relative pronoun is related is called antecedent. How? We can have example. In the above sentence, the relative pronouns have been shown in bold type, with their antecedent have been shown in italics. So the note is here: sometimes the relative pronoun is omitted. Omitted means cut, eliminate, delete, or skipped. This is the house I am going to buy. She is the girl I shall marry. Now I will tell you what is antecedent in the previous sentences. To the antecedent, okay. I saw a robber who had a revolver. Who is relative pronoun and robber noun. Okay, this noun is antecedent of this sentence. She is a girl whom. Whom is a relative pronoun, while girl is used as antecedent. Here is a man whose wife died yesterday. Whose is relative pronoun, while man is antecedent. This is the house which that I am going to buy. Which is relative pronoun. House is the antecedent. This is the same book. Book is antecedent, and as mine is for relative pronoun. Okay, in this chapter we read what is pronoun. We read 4 kinds of pronoun. Total are 8. Now we can revise 4 kinds: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun. Personal, to show persons. Reflexive, to reflect the subject. Interrogative, to ask question, while relative, to relate two sentences into one. And we also read one concept here, antecedent. Okay, now keep this information underlined and learn this. Okay, Allah Hafiz.